What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G and Poco F5 Pro 5G smartphones. So we will see that which device is going to be better in terms of benchmarking test score results based on their hardware specs. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our smartphones. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu benchmark. So Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G scored 5,534 and Poco F5 Pro scored 1,085,811. So as you can see, Poco F5 Pro is scoring twice of what Redmi Note 12 Pro scored in AnTuTu benchmark. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see in all of these four, performance of Poco F5 Pro is nearly twice compared to Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, and especially when it comes to GPU, the performance is 3 times better. So in AnTuTu benchmark, the winner is Poco F5 Pro. Now if we go back from here and have a look on the next test, and that's 3D Mark. So this is a GPU benchmarking test, gives the idea about the GPU and gaming capability of the device. So on Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, we performed 4 different tests, that is Slingshot, Slingshot Extreme, Wildlife Extreme. But when it comes to Poco F5 Pro, we were able to perform only one task, that is Wildlife Extreme, because Poco F5 Pro is a very powerful device and it maxed out on all of the other tests on 3D Mark like Wildlife, Slingshot Extreme and Slingshot as well. So let's compare the result of Wildlife Extreme of both of these devices. So Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G scored 631 and Poco F5 Pro scored 2168 in Wildlife Extreme. So once again you can see that Poco F5 Pro is scoring thrice of what Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G scored in Wildlife Extreme on 3D Mark. And as you can expect, considering the fact that Poco F5 Pro is maxing out on other tests, it is too powerful and way better when it comes to GPU performance. So the gaming performance of Poco F5 Pro is going to be way better compared to Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. Now if you go back from here to the last test for today, and that's Geekbench 5. So Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G scored 749 in single core and 2078 in multi-core, while Poco F5 Pro scored 1257 in single core and 4019 in multi-core. So once again, performance of Poco F5 Pro is way better compared to Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. If you go to the compute test of Geekbench 5, once again you can see that the winner is Poco F5 Pro as it scored 6531 compared to 2712 of Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. So the hardware specs of Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G is nowhere close to Poco F5 Pro, and because of that the performance of Poco F5 Pro is way better in every single benchmarking test we have performed compared to Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. So if you are concerned about the overall performance, especially the gaming performance of the device, then Poco F5 Pro is way better, and this is the one you should buy if you are considering Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G against the Poco F5 Pro. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.